Good Thursday morning on this snowy day here in the Catskill Mountains at the Fosterdale Motor Lodge. As you can see, the snow's coming down and the birds sent a message to one another that there is food available at the feeders. So these guys are having a great time stocking up on the seeds. And of course, the snow really doesn't bother them. They have that natural down feathers, keeps them warm, but they do need their nourishment. They do need the food. A little cardinal down there joining the crew. Those little guys with the little white and black caps are known as chickadees. We have some starlings over there. Those are the little larger ones. Yep, they're having a good time.